So guys, in today's session, we are going to discuss about UI pages again. Hmm? So to understand the UI pages are web pages which are built with HTML, CSS. UI pages are client side is what we discussed in our previous session. So first I'm going to create a UI page here. So what was our yesterday's requirement? Yesterday's requirement is whenever I click on resolve button, page should appear. On the page, resolution notes and resolution code should appear. Whenever you click on OK, the resolution code and node should go to resolution node and resolution code field, and the state should be resolved. That is what the requirement that we discussed. I'm just creating a new UI page here. Okay. So within this, you have to write HTML tags. Two labels. One is actually resolution code. Resolution nodes. Resolution code, resolution nodes. So here, resolution code is actually a drop-down choice type of field, right? So in the choice type of field, we will use select tag in the HTML. Okay. Each choice is an option in the HTML tag. So firstly, in the shipping case form in the resolution code, how many choices are there? We have to check. Caller problem change request. Known error. Okay. Solution provided. So what is the choice value? Okay. 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 I have to create a OK cancel button here. I have to create a OK cancel button. Speaking on mute. So can you hear me, guys? Since how long I have been speaking on mute, guys? Okay. What I meant to say here is there are two buttons. One is OK button, another one is cancel button. Once you click on OK button, this function will be executed. In this function, I am taking resolution code, resolution node. If any of these two field values are empty, it will stop the submission. If all the two field values are filled in, it will actually go to the server side using glide Ajax. So to the server side, we are passing case system ID, we are passing the code, we are passing the note, resolution code and notes. So then if we are getting the response as true, updated as true, then we are refreshing the form. We are actually showing the alert case has been updated successfully. We are actually closing the UI page. So if you directly click on cancel, it will actually hide the UI page. Just showing this one. Now you are able to see resolved button here. Whenever I click on this resolved button, we can select any of these. So if you don't select this, what will happen? You see here. Resolution notes is mandatory. If you provide the resolution and click on OK, what is this? Okay. Now the state is set as resolved. Now the state is set as resolved. The resolution code and resolution note is updated here. Hmm? Getting my point. Instead of coming down and seeing where is the resolution code, where is the resolution notes and all. So whenever they click on it, directly it will appear, right? The resolution code and notes. Hmm? In this case, we will use UI page and we'll do the validation and we will actually allow them to enter the values. You are able to understand, right? Okay. So I will give you one more requirement. So we have actually created the UI action called incident form. Whenever you click on this incident form, what will happen? It will open the incident form, and in the incident form, color is getting automatically populated. Configuration item, short description, all are getting automatically populated, right? So here it is just opening the incident form. It is just opening the incident form. So first of all, guys, if you remember, whenever we click on create incident, it is creating the directly record at the database. It is directly creating the recorded database. Whenever you click on incident form, it is just opening the incident form in a new tab. So my requirement is whenever you click on incident form, it should not open the incident form in a new tab. It should open the incident form in a pop-up. It should open the incident form in a same page on a different window. Okay. For that, what I am doing is I am just going to the create incident UI action. Sorry, incident form UI action. So whenever I click on this one, what is happening? It is opening the incident form in a new tab, right? Instead of that, I think this one I will explain. Anil, I remember you asked something about this URL. I'll come to this one later. First of all, here I have to check um, where GMF glide modal form. There is another API called glide modal form. Okay. Title of the form, table of the uh, which table form you want to show. Directly, I want to show the incident form, right? The incident table you will mention here. GMF dot render. So now what exactly will happen is that the shipping case form, whenever I click on incident form, whenever I click on incident form, so incident form will directly be opened. It will show the directly incident form. Model form. So here, instead of opening the incident form in a new tab, it is directly opening the incident form as a window. You can see it is directly opening the incident form as a window. So whenever you click on the incident form, it is actually opening the incident form here. You will fill all the details. You will fill the configuration item. You will fill the short description. You will fill the description. You will fill the assignment group. So once you fill in all the details, you will click on submit, right? You will click on submit. Once you click on submit, this callback function of submit. Once you submit, this callback function will be executed. Okay. So set preference. Set preference is actually specific query parameters that are passed to the form using. Okay. So if you want to pass values from, here from the UI action to the so this caller should go to incident caller. Hmm. Load callback. So what happens is that so the third parameter I am passing here as the third parameter that I am passing here is callback function. Okay. The third parameter that I am passing here is callback function. Okay. So this one, once you open the incident form, right? Once you click on the form, after submitting the incident form, this function will be executed. So that means here, once you click on this one, it will open the incident form, right? After filling the incident form, okay, you can see here, this glide model form is actually calling the incident form. So on completion callback, he has set here inside this one. He hasn't kept inside this one. Okay. So similarly, what we have to do is instead of writing this one here, we have to use this line here. Okay. So what you will do after you clicking on submit, it will create the incident record, right? Incident record system ID, incident table name, incident number, it will give you. Okay. Which action you are doing? Is that create or update? Which action you are doing? It will give you. So here, if you take a look at here, you are opening the incident form. So you're actually, once you submit, you are calling this function. So on completion, callback will run once you submit the incident form. So here, what you are doing, you are getting which action you are doing. system ID of the incident record that is created, table name incident, display name is incident number. So what I am doing, I am calling the script include. The script include, I am calling this method. I am passing the system ID of the incident record. I am just passing the finance case record. Then I am actually updating the record there. So what my point is, whenever I click on this particular incident form, it is opening the incident form, right? Let me just save this one. Where? Mm-hmm. It is opening the incident form, right? After filling in all the details, you will click on submit, right? So you will click on submit. After you clicking on submit, the, the on completion callback function will run. So that will give you which action you are doing. So insert, right? Insert the action, it will give you. Incident system ID, this record, once you create the record, system ID will give you, right? That system ID, incident number and table name, it will give you. Let me write that in a alert. Once I click on the incident form, it is opening, right? You will fill this one. See which action you are doing. You are doing insert operation. So incident, that is incident created record system ID. And table name is incident. Okay, this is the incident number that is created. So here we are getting what action we are doing. System ID of the created incident record, incident table, incident number. So you can pass them to the server side. You can update them in the server side using Glide Ajax. So you can use script include here. You can use script include concept here. You can use Glide Ajax concept here. So that what happens whenever you click on incident form, once you create the incident record, you can update that incident number here in the incident field. Getting my point? So you will click on incident form. You will fill all the details. Then you will submit the incident form. Once the incident form is submitted, the incident number will be updated here. Okay. So normally what we were doing, whenever we click on create incident, incident is created at the database and that number is updated here. Now it is what is happening. Once you click on this one, incident form is opening where you are allowed to select the values. Then you are clicking on submit. Once it is submitted, then the number is coming here. So Now, guys, I am giving you a task for you guys. Whenever I click on incident form here, whenever I click on incident form, it is opening the incident form and you are able to fill in the field values. After clicking on submit, the created incident number should be populated here. Let me do that for you. Okay. I'm clicking on submit here. The incident number is updated here. The incident number is updated here. Whatever the incident that is created, that incident number is updated here. Okay. So likewise, you can create the incident record in different ways. So once you click on incident record, it is directly creating the incident record at the incident table using glide record. And we are able to open the form in a new different window and populating the field values. We are directly opening the form as a pop-up. And once you click on submit, it is actually passing the created incident records to script include, and we are updating the incident number in the shipping case form. Okay. So likewise, we'll be calling the forms directly. Suppose if you want to call the problem form, you will just change the name here as problem. You will just change the table name as problem table name. So that now it will open the problem form. Instead of incident form, it will open the problem form. So if you want to open the user form, it will open the user form. Okay. It has now opened the problem form. Is it clear, guys, everyone? Is it like a rocket science? So the confusion will be gone when you practice, okay, Neil? So you should not say that, because if you say that, others will get confused. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, the topics will be easy. Only the peak highest topic, the difficult topic is this one only. Okay. We'll see you there in tomorrow session, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.